Hi there, friends. It's your favorite teacher, Ulrich. How's it going? I'm great. Thank you for asking. Today we get to finish lesson 4 of book 5. So be sure to have your book 5 ready. It's this yellow one. Great. So today we'll be doing the test 4 to end lesson 4. These test questions are all about the words and their meanings from word list 4. So it would be good for you to review the meanings before we do this test. Try not to cheat or look at the answers or meanings while we answer these test questions. Use this as an opportunity to evaluate where you are and what you need to learn. Right? Because this test only counts for us. This is the test, test 4. Let's go through the pages. This is page 1, it's from 1 to 8. Page 2, it's from question 9 to 15. Then page 3 from question 16 to 23. And page 4, it's from 24 to 29. Yep, that's all. Great. So let's get started with the test. First, let's write our names. We need to know whose test this is. And the date. Today's date. Don't write today, write today's date. Great. Now, before we start, let's read the instructions. Very important. Find a synonym for each bold word. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Do you know what a synonym is? It's a word with the same or similar meaning. So we have to find the words with the same or similar meanings to the words in bold and then circle the letter next to the correct answer. Number 1. What can be used to sever the cords on a package? So what's a synonym for sever? A. Unite. B. Tie. C. Cut. D. Rewrap. What can be used to sever the cords on a package? A synonym for sever is cut in this sentence. Number 2. The ski jumper was jubilant when he saw his score. So what's a synonym for jubilant? Is it A, discouraged, B, thrilled, C, angry, D, nervous? The ski jumper was jubilant when he saw his score. A synonym for jubilant is thrilled. I'm thrilled to be here. I'm very happy. I'm very jubilant to be here. Number 3. Is this scale accurate? What's a synonym for accurate? Is it A, correct, B, broken, C, fast, D, slow? Is this scale accurate? A synonym for accurate is correct. Number 4. The cruise ship will depart within the hour. What's a synonym for depart? Is it A, arrive, B, leave, C, sink, D, board? The cruise ship will depart within the hour. What's a synonym for depart? B, leave. Number 5. When he stopped attending study group sessions, his grades deteriorated. So what's a synonym for deteriorated? Is it A, worsened, B, remained, C, improved, D, recovered? When he stopped attending study group sessions, his grades deteriorated. What's the synonym for deteriorated? It's A, worsened. Number 6. The city needs a new bicycle course. What's a synonym for course? Is it A, shop, B, rack, C, rider, D, path? The city needs a new bicycle course. Synonym for course is D, path. Number 7. The Weather Channel informed us to expect a heavy gale during the night. What's a synonym for gale? Is it A, snow, B, rain, C, wind, D, hail? The Weather Channel informed us to expect a heavy gale during the night. A synonym for gale is wind, strong wind. Number 8. The Barrys voyaged from Hawaii to San Francisco. The Barrys, which could be a family name, so it's the family, the Barrys voyaged from Hawaii to San Francisco. What's a synonym for voyaged? Is it A, sailed, B, flew, C, hiked, D, chatted? The Barrys voyaged from Hawaii to San Francisco. A synonym for voyage is A, sailed. That's correct. For the next questions, let's first read the instructions. Don't skip over it. Find an antonym for each bold word. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Do you know what an antonym is? It's a word with the opposite meaning. You got it. So synonym and antonyms. Now we're doing antonyms. 9. A look of despair crossed her face when we did not find the lost dog. So what's an antonym for despair? It means the opposite. A, worry. B, hopefulness. C, confusion. D, amusement. A look of despair crossed her face when we did not find the lost dog. So antonym for despair is B, hopefulness. I hope we can get it. Number 10. The Van Pragues planned their departure for Tuesday. Van Pragues, that's a family name again, a surname. So, what's an antonym for departure? Is it A, party, B, appointment, C, flight, D, arrival? The Van Pragues planned their departure for Tuesday. An antonym for departure is D, arrival. In an airport, you'll see the departures and the arrivals. Number 11. A brisk walk revived Patrice. Brisk means quick. So brisk walk revived Patrice. Patrice is a name. Revived, let's find the antonym for revived. Is it A, entertained, B, excited, C, tired, D, bored? A brisk walk revived Patrice. B is, sorry, no, that's a synonym. The antonym is, you got it, C, tired. The antonym for revived is tired. Number 12. The music expressed everyone's jubilation. What's the antonym for jubilation? The word with the opposite meaning. Is it A, contentment, B, confusion, C, sorrow, D, delight? The music expressed everyone's jubilation. What's the opposite of jubilation, the antonym? Someone who is the opposite of jubilant is sorrowful. So it's sorrow. Number 13. The alligator's approximate weight is 150 pounds. 150 pounds is about 68 kilograms, around there. So what's the antonym for approximate? Is it highest, B, exact, C, estimated, D, lowest? The alligator's approximate weight is 150 pounds. B, exact, is the antonym for approximate. Next, for the next questions, let's first read the instructions. Choose the best way to complete each sentence or answer each question. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Pretty simple. Elise navigated her raft down the Zambezi River. What does navigated mean in this sentence? Is it A, directed, B, lost, C, deflated, D, carried? Elise navigated her raft down the Zambezi River. What does navigated mean in this sentence? It means directed. She directed where it was going. Number 15. The moon sat just above the horizon. The moon, A, rose from behind a cloud, B, sat low in the sky, C, was full, D, was difficult to see. The moon sat just above the horizon. The moon, B, sat low in the sky. That's the horizon. The moon is there. It's low in the sky. Next up, question 16. My father becomes nostalgic when he, A, tries a new recipe, B, works late at the office, C, looks at old photographs with his sister, D, plays basketball at the gym. My father becomes nostalgic when he, what? C, looks at old photographs with his sister. Nostalgic is a pleasant memory of the past. 17. What is the best course to take if you have a bad cold? What does course mean in this sentence? Is it A, a type of medicine, B, a subject at school, C, a vacation, or D, a way of acting? What is the best course to take if you have a bad cold? What does course mean in this sentence? Easy. D. A way of acting. So what's the best thing to do? Stay in bed, rest. Number 18. A map is accurate if it is A. Large, B. Correct, C. Colorful, D. New. A map is accurate if it is B. Correct. Number 19. To get ready for a voyage, you would be most likely to A. Order a cake, B. Paint the house, C. Pack a suitcase, D. Study hard. To get ready for a voyage, you would be most likely to C. Pack a suitcase. For your trip on the boat, right? You need your stuff. Question 20. When Mr. Russo moved, he hated to sever his relationships with his neighbors. In this sentence, what does sever mean? A. Break, B. Strain, C. Begin again, D. Talk about. When Mr. Russo moved, he hated to sever his relationships with his neighbors. In this sentence, what does sever mean? A. Break. Number 21. Which of the following is a horizontal line? Is it A, B, C, or D? D. Do you know the name of a line like this? Vertical. Number 22. The Institute of Navigation published journals, hosts conferences, and grants awards. Who might be interested in joining this organization? So the Institute of Navigation, that's the organization. They publish journals, host conferences, and grant awards. Who might be interested in joining this organization? Is it A. Sailors and pilots, B. Scientists and inventors, C. Teachers and principals, D. Doctors and nurses? The Institute of Navigation publishes journals, hosts conferences, and grants awards. Who might be interested in joining this organization? A. Sailors and pilots, because they have to navigate their airplanes and boats. 23. When you are at your destination, you are A. At the beginning of your journey, B. In the middle of your journey, C. At the end of your journey, D. In a place you have never been. When you are at your destination, you are where? C. At the end of your journey, you have arrived. Next question, 24. Movies can create feelings of nostalgia if they are A. Set in unfamiliar countries, B. About events that are strange and confusing, C. Full of excitement and suspense, D. About past events that people remember fondly. Fondly means in a good way. Movies can create feelings of nostalgia if they are D. About past events that people remember fondly. Number 25. Which situation is most likely to make someone despair? Is it A, losing one's house in a flood? B, doing yard work? C, getting a slight sunburn? D, waiting for a bus? Which situation is most likely to make someone despair? A, losing one's house in a flood. Question 26. Gales of laughter are A, unkind, B, strong and noisy, C, low and quiet, D, short and shrill. Shrill is a high-pitched noise, like ee, shrill noise. Gales of laughter are B, strong and noisy. Could also be D, short and shrill, depending on how the person laughs. Hee 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 hee. Short and high-pitched. Could be that too. But probably strong and noisy. Because a gale of laughter is an outburst, so it's definitely noisy. It's not ha 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 ha. It's ha 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 ha. Strong and noisy, right? Number 27. Which of the following was probably drawn with the greatest accuracy? A sketch of a fountain. B, a cartoon of a famous person. C, a textbook diagram of a fish. D, a storybook character. Which of the following was probably drawn with the greatest accuracy? I think it's C, a textbook diagram of a fish, because a textbook is something you get in school or in university. So it will have to be accurately drawn if it's in a textbook. It has to be precise. Number 28. Jonathan is working on a final paper for his zoology. Zoology course. I thought it would be zoology. Which word means about the same as course? Is it A, teacher, B, project, C, partner, D, class? Jonathan is working on a final paper for his zoology course. Which word means about the same as course? It's D, class. This word, I think it's spelled wrong. I think it should be zoology, which is about how animals live. And question 29. To revive a fashion style is to invent a new style. To revive a fashion style is to A, invent a new style, B, make fun of a silly style, C, bring back a style that was in fashion at an earlier time, D, predict which style will be in fashion in the future. To revive a fashion style is to C, bring back a style that was in fashion at an earlier time. That's it. Have a look at that. So make sure that you got all the right answers. This is the end of today's lesson. Friends, I just want to say very well done with lesson 4. You were here for every day. We did all the activities and concluded this lesson with this test. Well done, great job to you. Remember to join me again for lesson 5. Let's take on more words, more activities, and improve our knowledge. Friends, great job in this lesson, and I can't wait to get started with lesson 5 with you. Until then, take care. Bye.